Hey guys, Alex Ferrero here. So I wanted to explain basically one of the main reasons why certain businesses work like for a long time. They are sustainable. They're growing at a high pace. They invest a lot into their marketing, and why other businesses cannot do that. And one of the main differences and one of the main kind of like secrets behind that successful businesses is high profit margins. So if you just get into the business that has low profit margins, for example, selling, I don't know, like clothing items, like very cheap like clothing items, let's say, or very cheap like shoes. You're competing with people who are also selling those items, and in order to acquire customers, you need to spend money. And if you're like starting out, like, or even if you're like already established business, but if your margins are low, there's not much that you can reinvest into growing your business, because your margins are very low. Your customers will be price driven, so anytime there's a good kind of like cheaper items, they'll just go into that space and buy item from someone else. And if you have that kind of like approach, like those businesses definitely can work. And there are examples like Walmart in the United States. There are some businesses that are specifically targeted at they provide affordable products at a good price, and those businesses are still successful. But the resources that it takes to basically accelerate that kind of business and amount of time is very big. On the other side, if you have a business that has higher margins, let's say if you're selling some like accessories, like special accessories, let's say it costs you like $10, including your like production fees, including your like administrative fees, like all of the fees that you have. It costs you $10 to produce and sell that kind of item, and then you sell it like retail price for that item is $60 or $70. Like that leaves you a huge margin, like huge kind of like room for acquiring customers. So then you can go to paid platforms like Facebook, you can go to Google, you can buy traffic anywhere. You can buy traffic on YouTube and just sell those products, because you have so big margin in your business. And so that's like one of the main reasons why certain businesses, you see a business like created, and then they're able to scale very, very fast. And so that's kind of like one of the main secrets behind those businesses. If you just analyze them a bit more deeply, you'll understand that those businesses usually have very high margins, and they can reinvest a lot into their growth. So that's one of the secrets, guys, that I wanted to share with you. Just identify where in your business you have a room for like maybe charging more for the same products, but providing more value, or creating some type of like bundles, creating some type of subscription within your business, where user gets more value from you, they pay you on a regular basis, or they just buy from you more often. And so that will allow you to make more money from the same customer, from the same transaction. That will allow you to scale your business faster, and that will allow you to have enjoyable lifestyle as an entrepreneur, and build your business faster with less headaches, and with faster growth. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, share this video if you want, and put your comments below. I'll read your comments, I'll get back to you so I can help you as much as possible. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.